These actually come with the 27 from the factory. It's got the big tray. So if you put the negative on first and then the positive on, some vehicles are set up different, but you can hit a ground with your wrench. It causes it to short. It'd be hard to do on this car, but it's good practice to do it the same every time. So this is a Lexus GX. You see the window light flashing. So anytime you replace a battery, you have to reset the windows. Yeah, roll it all the way down, then all the way up, and hold it for 5 seconds. And you got to do it on the passenger side too. And then you got to do it on the back. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Now they should all work from the drivers. They're all. None of the windows will work until you do that reset.